Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS institution. As a part of the curriculum, we are supposed to have an interaction with the students, and we have to have a DT-based video on some of the certain topics. So today, my students Narmada, Afzal, and Ribbon are here to present you a topic called as Cryptarithmetic, and they are here to explain the topic in a DT-based platform. Like DT is nothing but a design thinking process. In design thinking process, you will be having certain steps like empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So my students will be explaining this complete 5 process and the process which is related to the content. Yes. So come, let us see how my students are here to explain it in an efficient way.
Hello everyone, my name is Namrata from the Department of ADS. I am here to explain the define and ideate for this. Here we clearly state the problem. Our problem is find a unique digit for each letter so that the addition equation remains valid. Defining also means the listening condition. Each letter stands for a single digit. 0 to 9. Leading letters cannot be 0. The final sum must match exactly. This step set precise boundary for the solution. Next thing, I will explain the ideate for this. Now come the ideate stage where we brainstorm possible strategies. Instead of guessing numbers blindly, we think of smart approaches, logical reasoning. For example, in cent plus more equal to money, we notice that M must be 1 because the sum creates a 5-digit result. Mathematical patterns. Carryovers in addition give the hints about a possible digit. Algorithmic methods using computer programs or backtracking algorithm to test a combination quickly. Here creativity plays a key role.
Hello everyone, I am Afzal from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, and I am here to give the introduction about Cryptarithmetic. Today I am going to talk about Cryptarithmetic, a fascinating puzzle where numbers are hidden inside letters. For example, in a problem like cent plus more is equal to money, each letter represents a unique digit. The goal is to figure out which digit each letter stands for so the equation is mathematically correct. Rather than just solving it as a math puzzle, I will explain it using design thinking process, which is creative problem solving framework using AI, computer science and innovation. And now I am going to emphasize about the problem. First step in design thinking is empathize. Here we understand the challenge and the user's need. The user is anyone trying to crack the puzzle. This need is to find out logical and efficient way to assign numbers to letters without violating the rules. We observe that the user faces constraints like 2 letters can share the same digit and the arithmetic must balance perfectly. Recognizing these challenges help us think us beyond the random guessing.
Hi, I am Ribbon from the Department of ADS. I tell out the prototype testing Cryptarithmetic. Prototype. In prototype, we start applying our ideas step by step. For a human solver, this could mean writing possible assignments on paper and eliminate impossible ones. For a programmer, it means coding a simple algorithm to check all permutations. This is where the abstract ideas become a working model. Test. Finally, we test the prototype by verifying this solution. We check if the digit satisfies every rules and if the final
Equation.
if the final equation is correct. If it is fails, we go back, refine our reasoning and test again. This loop of testing and improving is exactly what design thinking encourages.
Okay, thank you students that you have explained the design thinking process of the Cryptarithmetic in an efficient way. So this is how Cryptarithmetic is actually will actually be executed. When you give 2 words like cent plus more, it will give money, which is like for every process, for every alphabet, you should have a reminder of either 0 or 1 in Cryptarithmetic provider. For each alphabet, you have to assign one single number, that is it can be from the number 0 to 9. So the actual application where this Cryptarithmetic can be used in is like it can be used in army, navy process or in any of the terror process. Like so, this process is used in which you doesn't want to tell the actual word to the person, but still you want to give the equivalent number or equivalent symbol associated to that alphabet. So this is how the cryptarithmetic is being used. So my students have explained in an efficient way. I guess that I hope that you people understood the topic. So in the next upcoming videos, I will be meeting you with some other different kind of videos. As of now, thank you. Have a good day.